Oliver, we've had a lot going on recently with Carlos Sim's América Móvil, KPN, the Dutch telecoms company, and also Germany's telecoms sector. What's the update today?
So the latest we have is a development on América Móvil's bid for KPN. This is an indicative bid that América Móvil has made. América Móvil already owns 30%, and it's made an indicative offer to buy the rest. The development today is that the stichting, this is a foundation set up when KPN was privatised to protect the interests of stakeholders in the company. So this foundation has raised concerns over América Móvil's bid, and it could delay or perhaps even block the deal in the future.
Okay, so you'd assume that América Móvil shareholders are really after a Mexican growth story. So why on earth are they bidding, to buy out KPN over in the Netherlands?
Well, this is really the heart of the matter, and the bid for KPN rests a lot on what's happening in Germany. KPN owns a business in Germany that they are in the process of selling to Telefónica's German unit. Now, the suggestion is possibly that América Móvil, which is a big KPN shareholder, doesn't like this deal and would like somehow to block it, and that its offer for the whole of KPN is a way of putting pressure on Telefónica possibly to increase the value of that deal in Germany. But all the same, as you say, if you're an América Móvil shareholder, you've not bought the shares because you want exposure to the ins and outs of European telecoms consolidation. You've bought the shares because you like América Móvil probably for other reasons, for its kind of core businesses in Latin America. And there's a lot of possible downsides for América Móvil shareholders for this bid from KPN. If it succeeds, it could lump them with a lot of debt that they already have, and they already have debt, and it would just increase that even more. But it could also leave them with exposure to a German operation, which is perhaps not one that they will control.
Okay. Do you think the stichting is going to be successful in trying to block this deal?
Well, we don't know for sure yet that they'll definitely want to block it. They've just raised concerns at the moment. And we don't even know for sure that América Móvil will want to bid. It's just an indicative offer at the moment. So it's all up in the air. It's lots of parties trying to put subtle pressure on each other to move things slightly their way, and none of which is, I think, particularly good for somebody who wants to own shares in América Móvil.
Okay, so overall a lot of things going on with América Móvil's bid for KPN, which probably centres around the German telecoms market. We'll just have to watch and see how it pans out. Thanks, Oliver.